Hi folks, Tom from 112 Auto Sales. Today I'd like to do a virtual walk around for you on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. It's the special edition. It's blue with a gray cloth interior. If you have any interest in it, please call us at 475-5980. Runs real well. Very clean. Tires are in good shape. It's got 104,000 miles on it. This vehicle does qualify for our in-house financing program known as Buy Here, Pay Here. We service all the credit tiers, good credit, bad credit, no credit, anywhere in between. We'll also report your payments to the credit bureaus to help you establish, re-establish, or whatever your case may be. So come on down. Your job is your credit here at 112 Auto Sales. Ask for Nick, Tom, Paul, Doug. We'll be happy to set you up on a test drive.